guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanvi Kapoor. In case you're new here, I would be really happy if you could subscribe onto my channel. Well, honestly, as homeless as I look right now, I feel the same. This is why I didn't want to get dressed and all of it, so I'm just wearing my shorts and a really oversized tee, and that's it. So yes, and you already know what today's video is gonna be about. So I guess let's just not waste more time and let's just get started. The peanut butter cake is quite simple actually. Only three ingredients are supposed to be there, and the first ingredient is 1 tablespoon sugar. So I'm gonna put it in this cute glass. Then we have to put 3 tablespoon peanut butter, which I've just do. So we have to put 1 egg in this, and lockdown may have improved my egg breaking skills though. So yes, looks really nice and thick. So I'm going to keep it in the microwave for a minute, 1 minute 30 seconds to be precise, and let's see how it turns out. Okay, it kind of looks really nice. Well, I'm not really sure actually, but it looks very delicious and it smells amazing. So yeah, it is so amazing. I absolutely love it. Well, the shape of the bread actually killed the way it was supposed to look, but okay, it is what it is. So I'm gonna put some Nutella in it now. Hope you try these things because it's pretty easy and it tastes out to be amazing. So before the lockdown I ordered a few things, but I did not open them because there was no point of opening them or trying them. I ordered these 1 2 3 4 things from Shein, and so I was just cleaning the other day, तो ये सब सामान बाहर आया. There's more stuff also, but मैंने मेकअप मंगवाया था नायका से, अब डिलीवर होने वाला है क्योंकि उन्होंने शिपिंग शुरू कर दी. एंड आई गॉट अ कॉल फ्रॉम देम दैट दे बी डिलीवरिंग इट within this week. So उसके साथ I think I'm going to do that. And anyway, let's not waste more time and let's just get started. So I have no clue मैं ये कब पहनूँगी, but okay. So I ordered this black dress which is really pretty. Of course this is the reason I ordered it. So it's like this. Yeah, it's like this. और इसकी यहाँ से sleeves है. So kind of, it's very nice and it's a short dress, so it looks very elegant. So this was the first piece that I ordered. The second thing that I ordered is a skirt. Cafe. Sorry. Yeah, so it is this skirt. Actually it's very fancy and there's a slit also to it, but I wanted to get this because कोई family dinner or something, or when you go out some really fancy place, it looks kind of nice. I'm just going to pair it with a bralette or something like that. So yes, it is that. काफ़ी ज़्यादा shimmer है, but once in a while I guess it works nice. And it's a long skirt, just in case you didn't figure that out. The third thing is again a dress, and now this one is very pretty. So I thought that I'd wear this at a function. My sister's wedding is coming up, so aa rahi thi actually. Now it's, so I have no clue when. So I thought I'm going to wear it sometime, kisi function pe maybe. But okay, I don't know how to fix this thing. But okay, yeah, like this. So it's a very long dress and iska cut aisa hai. I don't know what do you call this, a fishtail cut, if that's what you call it. And ऊपर से it's kind of really stylish. इसका shoulder एक side पे नहीं है and दूसरी पे पूरा plaits है. So I guess this was very pretty, and when I saw this I knew that I had to buy this. So I did. And the last but not the least, for this video I ordered a shirt which is this orange, and ये पीछे से बिल्कुल ट्रांसपेरेंट है, so it kind of looks really nice. And so guys, it's day 2. I woke up and I got a call कि Nykaa is now going to deliver my order. I was super happy, and yes, I received my order. I went to take a shower and then I just wore my night suit because I had nothing to do. So yes, it's day 2 and I'm going to show you what all I ordered. I'm just going to so the first thing that I've ordered is this unicorn's heart. Yeah, there was this really if you know me, you know me how much, you know that if you know me, you know how much I love unicorns. And I don't have to say much. It's a unicorn highlighter which I've ordered because it was really pretty, and these are the shades. So yes, I've ordered that. Sorry, cafe. The second thing that I've ordered is this one is huge. So I have ordered this L'Oreal Studio Spray. Studio line. Yeah, this is for like when I straighten my hair. So I kind of really wanted to try this one. It's really nice and it prevents the damage. So yes, this. The next thing that I've ordered is this LA color spray. I wanted to buy another setting spray, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा daily purpose के लिए. So I thought I'd go for this because I don't know, I lost one of my favorite Smashbox wala setting spray, and it was out of stock when I ordered. The next thing that I've ordered is this face mask by Face Shop, because I wanted to try this one as well, and I've placed this order back in March, and I had no clue back then कि we'll be going through all of this. Otherwise I would have ordered a lot more because you know how much I love face masks. Then I've just ordered some face wipes. Then I ordered this Fit Me 310 Sun Beige being the shade, and another thing that I've ordered is Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Yeah, so these two things, and yes, I guess that is it for the haul. There's nothing more I've ordered, but I should have, and I would now since they've started delivering. So yes, there's one more thing that we have to try, and I'm super excited about that. So let's not waste more time and let's get started. I'm going to put some oil ताकि whatever I put इसके ऊपर stick ना करे, and the pancake batter that I made, इसको बहुत slowly I'm going to put it now.
hours later.
This is the most difficult thing ever. I literally burnt a few pieces. Look, and yes, let's see how it goes. But it's a better to bade wale pancakes. Every piece I've thought of an idea, so let's see how it goes. I think this was an epic fail. I really think this was an epic fail because just look at this. And I literally burnt my finger as well, but this kind of looks okay, but I think I've burnt it. I don't know, taste and tell you, but yeah. That is it for the video, and I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.